Okay, now for paraphrases or summaries which you should widely use, gonna be something like this. Okay, you see there are differences. Can you notice the differences? So you must follow me because this is gonna be lecture based. You want to do it, you have to follow me. I just want you to, you see, I even highlighted and color code the two sentences here. Okay, the in-text citation, one is appearing in the for those at home, in the guys, uh, wait. That is so funny, no? Oh no, that is so bad. I'm so awkward. Okay, guys, I'm so sorry because I was so excited to see your chat that I accidentally clicked X. And then, because I wanted to click the chat symbol, right? But then I clicked X and I was like, ouch. And then I told them that I accidentally left myself. So it's so awkward, guys. I know. Like that. No, it's so awkward. Okay. Okay, now, so what's the answer for those at home? Which is correct? Okay, those at home. So the first example is the citation occurs in the let me just open my tablet because oh, someone kidnapped me again. Okay, in the complete the answer. Don't worry, I'm here. Goodness. In the, come on, guys. Come on. Where? The first example, the citation is occurring in the front. Very good. Very good for the, okay. Thank you. Now you completed. Okay. So one is in the front, one is in the back. Okay. Okay, look at this. Silver postulated. Oh, good God. That is a very fancy reporting word. Okay. Look at that. So remember the reporting word, how does it look like? Okay, so the citation looks like this and then the reporting word goes on. Okay. Now for this one, you don't really have to do much. You have to kind of paraphrase or summarize the stuff and then you put the in-text citation at the back. Okay. Two ways. All right. Now, in-text citations, okay, remember, you see the in-text citation, I just want you to see, okay, silver, comma, 2012. One is the last name and the other is the year, okay? So they are a couple, okay? Always remember you must have two sandwiched within the parentheses, okay? We call the bracket parenthesis, all right? I can say bracket, but I can also say parenthesis, more fancy, and then you learn this word, then you go out and tell your friends parenthesis, and then you guys are gonna be so cool, huh? Okay, now, trust me, as you age, right, you really want to acquire more bombastic words into your repertoire, it sounds really good, I have really a lot of like friends, from Taiwan, my Taiwanese friend can actually efficiently as a second language user of English can actually, you know how Harry Potter has all those long names, like long, Cosby, like how, like, okay, I can't even do that, but my Taiwanese friend can do that, so awesome, all right? Now, okay, so again, this is how it looks like, okay? Chapman, bracket, okay, in the bracket, 1995, okay? So this is also one way you can do that.